Residents of the Texas Southern Plains are gearing up for potentially severe weather as forecasters predict a turbulent Tuesday. The National Weather Service issued warnings for several counties, including those surrounding the Dallas-Fort Worth, DFW, area, as a potent storm system approaches. According to meteorologists, the storm system brewing over the Southern Plains has the potential to spawn tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds. Areas from North Texas to the Panhandle are under the threat, with concerns particularly focused on the DFW region. DFW airport officials have already begun preparations, anticipating potential flight delays and cancellations due to the severe weather. Travelers are advised to monitor their flight statuses closely and make necessary adjustments to their plans. The severity of the storms prompted authorities to issue safety reminders, urging residents to stay informed and take necessary precautions. This includes having a designated shelter area in case of tornado warnings and securing outdoor objects that could become projectiles in high winds. Emergency response teams are on standby, ready to assist communities if the need arises. Local news outlets have been providing continuous updates, ensuring residents are well informed about the evolving weather situation. In Dallas, residents are bracing for the impact of the impending storms. With memories of previous severe weather events still fresh, many are taking proactive measures to protect their homes and families. Stocking up on emergency supplies, such as food, water, and batteries, is a common sight across the city. Business owners are also taking precautions to safeguard their properties, with some opting to board up windows and reinforce structures. The possibility of hail poses a significant threat to vehicles and buildings, prompting residents to seek shelter indoors. Despite the potential dangers, there's a sense of resilience among Texans as they face yet another round of severe weather. Communities are coming together, offering support and assistance to those in need, showcasing the strength and unity that define the Lone Star State. As the storm approaches, meteorologists continue to monitor its trajectory, providing real-time updates and guidance to residents. While the exact timing and intensity of the severe weather remain uncertain, one thing is clear: Texans are prepared to weather the storm together.